And just like that, we're out of the heat and we're into the cold.
And the closest Frank Pepe Pizza to Newark Airport is right here.
In Stamford, Connecticut. Let's go. Look at that menu. It's very loud in here. So we're going to do the best that we can. Talk about change of atmosphere, huh?
Well, I think everybody came at the same time, and it was very loud for a couple of minutes, but now their leftovers are in boxes, and they're on their way out, and we are going to feast. Me and Lucia are getting 2 special Frank Pepe salads to start with, and then we are getting the pepperoni toppillo special.
He's tired. I'm hungry. But it's definitely different than when you go to the one that we went to the last time, which you can see in our previous Connecticut episodes.
And that was at lunchtime.
I know.
That was not at dinner.
Nope.
And it was very quiet there.
Yeah,
we did a very quiet episode.
Yep.
So if you don't want all the flair, you want to see the pizza, go see the other video, but stick around for the rest of this.
First drink of the day is a red sangria, and I have the non-alcoholic Samuel Adams Just a Haze.
She goes with the perfect pour of the Sam Adams Just a Haze NA.
I don't know if that's a perfect pour. I think that's a pretty pathetic pour, if you ask me.
It's half a pour.
Sorry,
Try it
Johnson.
out.
That is so good.
Good stuff. I'm going to try my sangria now.
Spin her around.
They also have a white peach version. I might be trying next.
Look at that Frank Pepe salad. Oh my God.
It's like enormous.
It's colorful. And look at this. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. And the number one food that Glenn hates.
I didn't say I hate anchovies.
I think you should try one then. What do you think, Glenn? You want to try one? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Not my. Oh, is that how you dump those anchovies down your throat, dear? While they are making our pizza, we have these fantastic salads to partake in.
Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in my salad.
Do it to it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You dropped one.
I did not. What did you just say to our waitress?
She dropped the pepperoni pizza on the table, and I said, "It's beautiful, thank you."
You're lucky you didn't tell her she was beautiful, or you would have got it. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God, that is amazing. And there goes my cholesterol. You're really afraid to get it on your shirt, huh?
Well, it's got the drippy pepperoni grease on it.
Right?
And the cheese has a pull to it. So I'm afraid one of these pieces of cheese is going to snap back and hit me in the shirt.
There you go. Hold it underneath your chin and you'll be fine.
Okay. You full?
I'm always full.
You almost ate the whole thing, but you only ate half.
That salad filled me up good.
Well, I always like to have a salad before food. They gave me a whole ton of chicken in my salad for $3.
What were you expecting?
Well, I don't know. I thought they were like gents meat. But they didn't. They were very generous with the pepperoni on the pizza. We're going to take 4 slices of pepperoni home with us. And hopefully we remember that we put it in the refrigerator at the hotel. And we take it for breakfast tomorrow.
You heard him. It's been left behind before. Welcome to the Armon Hotel Conference Center. Very pretty inside. Nice decor. Loving it. Taking you through the lobby here. We're headed on over here to the front desk.
Get our parking
ticket validated. Very nice. We're staying on the 3rd floor of the Armon. What a pretty view. I wonder what it would look like at Christmas time, Glenn. Maybe like, what's the name of that famous hotel?
It's November 1st. Where's the Christmas decoration?
What's the name of that famous hotel that we went to where they had all decorated up for Christmas?
The Gaylord.
That's it.
National Harbor.
Maybe the Armon's trying to be the Gaylord, but they're profusely failing right now because they have a massive conference going on and there are
people everywhere.
People to the room tour of 3043 here at the Armon. Ooh. Look at the nice fancy bathroom. Ooh, just like the cruise ship. Very nice. I'm digging it, man. All right. And come out here. Let's go over this way. A little bit of storage in here. With a little safe. Looks like I found the hairdryer, maybe. And then nice big bedroom. Let's see a bed test.
I don't know about that.
That failed. Nice TV. More storage. Great big desk because I got a lot of editing to do tonight. Refrigerator. And let's see the view. Oh yeah. There you go.
It would look nice at Christmas time.
Yeah, this is not the gay ward.
No, but they're trying.
Yeah?
Right?
I wonder how old this hotel is.
By the looks of some of the furniture, I would say that it's gotta be about 20 years old.
Gotta be.
Gotta be about 20 years old. Could be more with renovation. I don't know. Oh, what a long day of travel.
But you loved your vacation.
We loved our vacation, and some of these days the videos aren't as long because traveling is not all that glamorous.
You don't want to see what goes on behind the scenes with us.
Oh, brother. Did you make a wrong turn?
Yes.
They didn't charge us for the bridge. One good thing.
What do you mean?
Well, we left Newark, and we went over that bridge, and they turned us right around and had us back over the bridge the other way.
Oh, you mean the bridge of the two...
No. We did not cross the George Washington Bridge. We crossed the old Tappan Zee Bridge, which is now the Governor Mario Cuomo Bridge, who is the father of two politicians. Let's just put it that way.
We can't curse in our videos anymore, so when you see me going...
I'll G-rate it.
Then you know what I'm saying. Good night from Connecticut, everybody. Tomorrow, we're off to Boston.
Thanks for tuning in.
Good night.
Bye.
See you in the next episode.